Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today, as a result of all the positivity I got from my last video on what MetaMoon is, I decided I'm going to be recording a video on how to buy MetaMoon. From the very beginning, from a beginner's perspective, from the very basics, just so that you can learn the fundamentals of how to do it, so that if you buy some and you decide, oh, I want to get some more, you can do that really, really easily. But yeah, as this is from a beginner's perspective, so you don't even need to have any crypto knowledge whatsoever to be able to follow along. I'm going to break it down really nice for us. The first things you're going to need are Trust Wallet downloaded on your phone or your mobile device. And honestly, that's going to be about it. So what we're going to do is first thing you want to do, and keep in mind, if you haven't seen my first video on what MetaMoon is, take a look at that. I've linked that in the description. First thing we're going to want to do is go to Binance.com. This is where we're going to buy the first cryptocurrency called BNB, which is eventually going to allow us to get closer and closer to buying actual MetaMoon. So what we're going to do is on Binance.com, which has been linked in the description for you. Oh, I clicked something there. On Binance.com, you're going to go to Buy Crypto where it says it up here, and you're going to go to Credit/Debit Card. I mean, any of these are going to work, but this is the recommended one. And what you're going to do is on the right side here, you're going to pick the currency you're going to pay in. So let's say you're going to pay 100 US dollars. You just type it in right there, 100. And you're going to want to switch this coin section to BNB. That's what we're going to use because when we use PancakeSwap to exchange our BNB or swap our BNB to MetaMoon, you need to start with BNB. So that's all you're going to do. You're going to link your credit card through here and you're just going to hit buy BNB. It's probably going to want to authenticate a couple times, but that's fine. Eventually, after you've got that, you're going to get however much BNB approximately of what's in there, considering the market does change all the time. Then you're going to go to this top right spot and hit wallet. And go to overview, sorry. In here, it's going to tell you, and keep in mind, this is just a demo one that I made, so it's not actually hooked into anything. But this is going to tell you how much balance you have, and it's going to default into Bitcoin, so don't worry about the fact that it says Bitcoin here. You purchase BNB if you followed those previous steps, so it's all good. Then what we're going to do is we're going to, this is just confirming that we actually received it. So if you have any numbers here at all, if it's a fresh account and you just brand new made it, if there's numbers here now, congratulations, you own BNB. In the top left, we're going to go hover over trade and you're going to click convert. Now that we have, oh no, do we have to do this? No, we don't have to do this. Never mind. Don't go to convert. That's my apologies. So when you're in your wallet and you have numbers here, you're going to hit withdraw. When you're in withdraw, it's going to be able to send it to you on your phone so that you can have the BNB that you can eventually exchange to MetaMoon. So what we're going to do first is we're going to select BNB out of this list. If it doesn't show up there, you can search it, but there's only the 4 or 5 there. Then you're going to put in your BNB address, which I'm going to teach you in just 1 second. I'm going to screen record my phone and show you how you can find what your BNB address is. And in the network, you need to put BEP20. This is the Binance Smart Chain. Okay? That's what you're going to need to do absolutely first. And it's going to say blah, blah, blah. Make sure that the wallet you're sending it to is Binance Smart Chain, or else your money could technically just disappear. So now I'm going to take you guys over to the phone, and I'm going to show you what to do from there. Alright, so now from the phone's perspective, this is inside the Trust Wallet app. In the top right, you're going to hit those lines and the little circles and stuff, and this is the Manage Currencies. You're going to go to search and type in Smart Chain. You're going to see BNB show up there, Smart Chain BNB, and you're just going to want to make sure that's turned on. Okay? Now that you've done that, it'll show up in this main section, which you can click. And now in this section, you're going to click Receive. Okay? In this Receive, you're going to copy your address, and you're either going to email it to yourself or do something like that. Just keep the address secure. All right? Now that we've done that, we can head back over to the computer. All right. So now that you've added the BNB, the Smart Chain, to your Trust Wallet, what you can do is now that you've copied that address and sent it over to your computer somehow, you're going to paste it into the address field here. Okay? Paste it in there. Get it to finish up with what it's going to do. It's just going to be really simple. Probably going to want to authenticate one more time to make sure that everything's 100% sure you want to send it there. But yeah, once you do that, it could even take an hour or two. It could take longer. It could take 5 minutes. Who knows? Sometimes it's instant. But once you've done that and you've sent it over to your Trust wallet, give it a little bit, and eventually that money will reflect into your Smart Chain section of your Trust wallet. Now that we're over there, I'm going to go back to the phone, and I'm going to teach you how to swap it for MetaMoon. I will see you over there. Alright, you guys, so now that we're back on the phone, you're going to open your Safari app, and this is for iOS. It should be a pretty similar process for Android as well. What you're going to do is you're going to go into your browser, and you're going to type trust://browser_enable. Once you do that and hit go, it's going to say open this page in Trust. Yes. Okay, now that we've done this, you'll notice that there is a browser field at the bottom right there. Now what you can do is you can go into PancakeSwap. It's probably not going to show up here yet, so just look up PancakeSwap. And there it is. It's just using Google. Now in the top left, where it shows that little Ethereum icon, tap on that and hit Smart Chain, because that's the currency we're going to be using. Then in the top left, there's the 3 lines, and you're going to go to Trade and Exchange. Now once you're in Exchange, also make sure to hit the connect button in the top right. That's going to connect your Trust wallet to the PancakeSwap website. I'm not going to do it just for privacy, but that's what you're going to do at this point. Now what you're going to do is you have BNB. So in this dropdown, just select BNB, and the amount should show up right above BNB. And you can hit max or however much you want to do. So if you want to send 100 BNB over, that's a lot of money, but 100 BNB over, you can do it that way. You're going to head over to CoinMarketCap and type in MetaMoon. Okay, once you've done that, you're going to scroll to the bottom. If you have the app or the website, it's going to be pretty similar, and copy this Binance Smart Chain contract address. This is different from your personal address. It has to be this one right here. So once you have it copied, you're going to go back into your Trust wallet, and where it says select a currency, you're just going to paste in the currency right there. And as you can see, MetaMoon was found by the address. It is very important that you only use the contract that is put in CoinMarketCap, because there are fakes out there, so be careful of that. Once you've done that, once you've done that, you're going to hit in the top, there's the little, those things, the lines or the bars. You're going to click that, which is your settings, and set your slippage either to 12 or 13%. I did 13. Then all you're going to do is hit swap, and within a couple minutes, your Trust wallet will reflect with MetaMoon. And that's it. Now notice that your MetaMoon value is always going to be increasing. That's because, as I mentioned in my first video, 2.5% gets redistributed to holders every time there's a buy. So yeah, that's pretty much how it works. And now you have MetaMoon in your wallet, and that is absolutely it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a good one. Take care, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. I've also linked the official MetaMoon Discord in the bottom so that you can, in the description, so that you can join our community there. And yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys have a good one. Take care, and yeah, like and subscribe, comment if you have any questions. See ya later.